Today I went to buy some things off of Facebook Marketplace, and I want to show you what they are and maybe go through an evolution. So I got some lighters, Zippo type lighters, and this is Jack Sellers Motors. It only takes a little jack to do business with Big Jack. 3105 Montgomery Street. I don't know where this comes from. I bought these lighters from a guy in a town next to where I work. So this looks just like a Zippo, but when you go to turn it over, it's my light from Korea. I've never, I mean, they're not trying to counterfeit these, by putting wrong stampings, but yeah, doesn't have good sound, but it's still pretty cool. Doesn't work though. But from a distance it does look like a Zippo. I can't get this thing out. I have to get it out later and see if I can get it to work. Next lighter is this thing. It's Drilling Baker and Taylor Drilling Company. Never heard of them, but it's a well-used lighter. Got a little rust there, and if you look, right, when you open it up, it's pretty rusted. Definitely the cam spring doesn't work, but looks like it could be fixed somehow, somewhat fixed. If you look at the date, turn it over, it is an old one. These three stripes on each side is 1984 supposedly. So I can probably put a good insert in here and get it to be useful again. Let's put the date on there. But yeah, these three stars. So this is actually the oldest one of the lighters the guy gave me. So I might buy a generic insert to put it in there, because I don't think this thing is fixable. Yeah, I try to find the springs in a repair kit, but it might be pretty hard to fix that. I don't know. I might, like I said, might just buy a generic insert. They sell them on Amazon for like 18 bucks. Alright, next one is Lucky Strike. Lucky Strike. And this one actually works. So, oh, by the way, the reason why it looks like this, the guy I bought it from said that the ones I bought from him, he used to collect them, and there was a fire at his house and it burnt a lot of the stuff up, and these were the surviving lighters that he had. So this one definitely took a pretty bad hit, probably from firefighters putting out the fire. The Lucky Strike one looked like it survived, and the date is B of XIV, which is February of 1998. Stampings look good. The thing though that kind of makes me question this is that when you open it and you turn it, the Zippo logo is upside down, but with this one, when you open it, you turn it over, the Zippo logo is right side up. So I don't know if this is a counterfeit or not, but I have to look it up to see. But there are the markings. Looks good. I just have to put some fluid in it. And last but not least, and this one is worth more than what I paid for all these lighters. And here it is. It is the Marlboro Man Cowboy Zippo, brass Zippo. And the markings are from July 1994. And again, you open it and you flip it, and the Zippo logo is upside down. So this one is 98, this one's 94. So maybe in 98, you know, well, 98, yeah, 94, 98 is newer, so maybe the newer ones. I've got one that's 2011, and yeah, it is right side up when you flip it over, and this one works. So yeah, maybe it is right. So here it is. Yeah, it's pretty. And the cam is busted again. This one is definitely gonna need some help. And I matched the insert date. It is X. X is the year 1994, and you can see that. The X is right there. It's hard to see on the camera screen, but yeah. So this insert goes with this, and unfortunately, like I said, it's pretty rusted. But this one, the insert does match the date. XIV. XIV. So this one is probably the most complete and intact. So this one's probably worth some money. I looked up the price for this one, and they run about $50 to $80, which is way more than I paid for all four. So I'm gonna clean these up, and get them working, and I'll come back and do a follow-up video of what these look like after I clean them up a little bit. Later.